Everyone is talking about Claude Opus for coding, but Chinese open source model just arrived that is challenging Anthropic based model on coding benchmark. And the craziest part, you can use it completely free. Today I will show you what GLM is, why AI community is excited, and how you can start using it right now. Before use it, first let's explore ZAI, what it's mentioned, does it performance match the benchmark, and many more things. GLM 5.2 built for long horizon tasks, solid 1 million context, advanced coding with flexible effort, improved architecture, and totally open source. Exciting and shocking part is its benchmark. Does its performance match its benchmark? This is the pinpoint here. During comparing benchmark, it shows that its performance is far much better. One Chinese model directly competing with the Anthropic Opus model. Opus is the best model in the current market. Here is the LLM performance evaluation. It will far better improve as compared to GLM 5.1 to GLM 5.2. In some benchmark, it will already beat Claude Opus. In some benchmark, it will directly challenge with Claude Opus. In some benchmark, its performance is little bit lower than the Claude Opus. But main point is it is totally free, and if you paid it, then it will nearly 20 times cheaper than the Claude Opus. Okay, you can try it in the playground, and I will show you how you can use it in OpenCode inside the Visual Studio Code. First, let's sign in. I'm going to use Google. In ZAI platform, you can use GLM model. Try it here. But in today's video, I'm only focusing it how you can use it inside the Visual Studio Code or inside the OpenCode. Okay. Then first go to your favorite browser and search for OpenCode AI. Currently, we can only use through the OpenCode for free. Okay. Otherwise, GLM 5.2 is not available in other case for free. Okay, first go to the opencode.ai. If you are using OpenCode for the first time, then install it. Just press this command. OpenCode is installed within the 2-3 seconds. Then check does OpenCode is successfully installed in your system. If version will be reflected, which means OpenCode is installed. Login and account creation is not required for now. Why we didn't use OpenCode Gen model? Today we are going to use Cloudflare. Cloudflare provide the OpenCode Gen for free. Start building for free. You need to create the account here if you are using it for the first time. I'm going to create my account using my Google. You can also continue with other option as well. I feel Google will be the easiest option to create account. Then you are landed on the home screen or dashboard screen of the Cloudflare. Here in the AI section, Workers AI will be available. We are going to use it. Workers AI provide us the API key to use GLM 5.2 for free. Okay, here in the REST API section, you can see account ID, and from here you can create your API key. Use your own account ID and API key. I will delete this my account before I publish. Then how you can use it? After you have installed OpenCode, start OpenCode. You can easily start OpenCode if you type OpenCode and press enter / type connect, and here you need to search the Cloudflare. If you type Cloudflare, then you can find this Cloudflare Workers AI. Select it. First it will ask account ID. Copy account ID from here, paste it here, press enter. After your account ID, it will ask API key, create Workers AI API token and create the API token. Copy token and provide it here and press enter. Then all the model that will be provided by Cloudflare will be reflected here, just like Kimike 2.6, Kimike 2.7 code. But in today's video, we are going to use GLM 5.2. Let's select it. GLM 5.2 is selected here. First, let's try it. Hi, in first response, it will take a little bit more time. Here, in first time, it will take 11 seconds to respond. But in your first time, it will may show the error here, API response error or something, and it will set the time 50 second, 40 second. Wait until it. Sometimes this type of error will be happen. I have also faced this type of error many times, but it will resolve it. If not, totally close OpenCode and again open and try it. It will perfectly working. Which model is it? Okay, it will show I am GLM powered by Cloudflare Worker AI. By this way, you can easily use GLM 5.2 in your daily life, it will provide decent amount of token. If you can see, this is not the actual token that will be provided. This is the session token. If you completely close this windows and open it again, it will again start from the zero. Okay, use it until it will be freely available. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.